Welcome back to the channel. Want to travel back in time and see what a street looked like years ago? Here's how you can view old Google Maps street views. It's easy. First, open your browser and head over to Google Maps. Now, type in the location you want to explore. For example, let's search Los Angeles. Once the map loads, zoom in and drag the yellow street view icon, the little person in the bottom right, to any street on the map. Drop it anywhere, and now you're inside Street View. The top left corner, you'll see the date when that view was captured, for example, August 2022. If that location has older Street View data, just click the date. A timeline will appear showing all the available older images, sometimes going as far back as 2008 or earlier. Select any year and Google Maps will instantly show you what that place looked like back then. You can explore, compare changes, and see how much the world has transformed. And that's it. That's how you can see old street views on Google Maps and time travel digitally. If this helped you out, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe the channel for more cool tech tips, and press the notification button as well. See you in the next one.